arrived at the Hancock Campground in Lincoln, New Hampshire around dusk. It's right on the Pemmy River, only a couple miles from popular bars and restaurants. We cooked dinner over the fire: steak, asparagus, potatoes. We took our time in the morning and walked down to the river, sat on a rock, enjoyed some coffee, and just talked. The hike actually starts on Lincoln Woods Trail. You'll continue on this for about 1.5 miles before you reach the Osseo Trail. It was an overcast day. The trail was dark, very few vista points along the way, which is pretty typical in New England. You just don't see much until you break tree line. At many points we actually wanted to turn around. We didn't see anybody on the trail. It was fairly boring, but we just kept going anyways. The trail got interesting when we reached the stairs. There were a couple of vista points, some muddy areas that we had to work around, but we still didn't see any people. The summit of Mount Flume was comprised of wind, rain, no visibility. We headed back down the mountain, getting back to our vehicle just before dark.